And now the person I'm going to call is the former president of the organization, President 1989-1990, Dr. Leonardo S. de la Cruz.
Thank you, brother. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Good evening to my wife. Dapat nasa Maynila kami ngayon. Kaya lang itong misis ko, itong si Sis Manel, tinek si Brad Ronald. No? Nasubo tuloy ako. Tapos, bago pala tinext ni Sis Manel si Brad Ronald, si Brad Ace nag-text sa akin, kaya kami nandito. Medyo natutuwa ako kahit kakaunti ang membro natin, overwhelming naman ang mga achievements. Yung mga nagawa namin ng araw, wala yata akong maalala. Di yata ako naging coordinator. So, sinong araw sidekick lang ako Sidekick ako ni Marvin. Actually, hindi ko ina-expect na ma-maintain ng impact numbers, no? Yung category as ano ba, may tatawag natin doon? Hindi lang Hall of Fame kasi pagka Hall of Fame, palagay tama si Brad Rolly. May tatawag na sa impact Hall of Excellence. So, congratulations to all of you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you very much, Boss. Boss kasi ang nickname ni Boss, ni Dr. de la Cruz. But anyway, I will read. Ako po ay Siberians, Vice President for External Affairs from 1989-1990. Actually, the Vice President of Dr. de la Cruz. I was elected President in 1990-1991, was the Junior Advisor in 1991-1995, and Faculty Advisor 1996 to present. The longest staying member of the organization. I was chosen once as SO Leader of the Year, like Boss, and thrice SO Advisor of the Year. Our two counterparts, Professor Joel S. Salvador, also awarded 3-time SO Advisor of the Year. The same with one of our advisor who is sick, Professor Rodel L. Gutierrez. Bibigay ko po yung impact from 1987 to 2007 in summary form. Impact was an organization aimed to change the lives of the people. Now it changes the life of its members. The seal speaks its history. It started with the brilliant minds of the 25 pioneers and an uncomparable conviction of its brain, Mr. Loreto Seguido. IMPACT was born on March 28, 1987. Founding an organization at the midst of already heavily backed student organizations in the campus was not easy. Time, money, sacrifices were there in their investments. That no one knows it will bear fruits as this. The first year of IMPACT as recognized student organization adds its name among student organizations in the campus. It was included among the top 10 organizations in the campus and then awarded as first runner-up in Bagbola Youth Achievement Award. To date, it was only IMPACT among the student organizations in CLSU that won top honors in outside competitions. The organization has been always beset with problems leadership crisis sometimes and financial problems, they serve as the members' inspiration to keep stronger. Many student organizations have lost. Even its staunchest rival in undertaking community service activities was just like a balloon that never backed from where it came from. Still, individuals and groups rose in number to form organizations, perhaps to counteract organization, but none of them succeeded. Perhaps they don't possess the trilogy that we uphold: the service, dedication, and excellence. What keeps the organization strong is its practice of brotherhood and sisterhood. The activities are done with one trying its best, putting his heart into it to obtain effective results. Tasks are done with utmost cooperation. Differences are resolved through dialogues and forums. It is now in its 20 years of existence. Greater challenges are ahead of us. The organization may grow older as we grow older and find our places under the sun. But one thing for sure, I strongly believe: impact keeps growing, for it is already in ourselves. It is already in our being. It is already in our life, which is inevitable in us. That is, whether you like it or not, it runs in our blood, the impact blood. Parang 18 years na rin ako nag-i-speech. Masterpiece ko. Sinulat ko po itong sinasabi ko ngayon, sa Impact Bulletin doon sa ating Zonal Leadership Summit. If you remember that, we produce the book of yung isang libro ng Impact na nakasummarize na lahat. Lahat ng batches ang doon, lahat ng naging presidents, lahat ng naging advisors, lahat ng achievements to date. So that was 3 years ago during the leadership of Art Allen Jan Pascual na nabuo po yung libro na yun. How I wish na pwede natin i-reproduce at mabigyan natin ang ating mga alumni. Because that is the document which speaks impact, not in a nutshell, but in detail. But the challenges after 20 years. The organization finds it a little bit difficult to recruit new members. The members' enthusiasm is a little bit deteriorating, and the quality of leadership seems to go down. Why? Because some organizations tend to pattern their activities to the organization. When we have the Zonal Leadership Summit, we have the Zonal Leadership Congress. When we have activities like, our activities is 1 or 2 steps ahead than the ordinary activity of other organizations. What is the reason? The reason is that we, the only organization that is in the Hall of Excellence. Next year, we will be given another award according to the Office of Student Affairs. They cannot think of that award. They cannot think because none from amongst the organization has ever given that award. I think they are still in the process of thinking what that award to be given to